England,
Which city?
Swindon.
Sweden.
Yeah,
Can I show you something?
go on.
I'm online in the best in the Marmaris shop.
Number one, yeah?
Yeah, number one.
For sure.
What you need, anything is here inside. Come, I show you what
Come
I
on,
have.
let's have a quick
Come,
look.
I show you what I have. I have t-shirt and a short. Any nice quality,
Oh, yes.
high quality, but it's
Yeah.
the nice price. Which city you live in, my
I'm living in Swindon,
Sweden.
near Bristol.
Yeah, show it this one.
Oh, yeah.
That is big shop in Marmaris. I have a lot of customers in Sweden. We show.
Oh, okay.
All you need is here.
Yes, that's it. That's good.
Thank you. I need my shopping cart. I show you.
Oh, yeah, you show me this.
When you want to find my shop,
That's it, scan the card.
yeah,
Thank you.
you're welcome. Yes. High quality, nice price. Yeah.
Always good. Look at
All
this
you need
Liverpool
is here,
top.
yeah. Show it, my friend. I have a nice small car, yeah.
Yes.
Dangerous fake.
Let me get up here so the kids close.
Do you want to drink tea or something?
No. I have to keep working till 1 p.m. and then I go and relax. So, anyway,
Nice to see you.
thank you, yeah?
You're welcome.
Have a good day.
That's my shop, guys. When you come,
Hold on, one.
yeah, when you come to my shop online, I make very good price.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah, exactly.
Have a nice holiday.
Thank you.
See you.
See you. Go on, I'll give in. Lots of hats. Thank you, sir. You have a good day?
Thank you.
Thank you. Get your Turkish delights in there.
And he's living in there. He's done room. He's got
Oh, look at this. Look at these furs.
Yes,
Look at this one.
we have so many nice.
Very nice, yeah. You can see. I'm gonna walk through.
Yeah, you
Yeah.
can suggest maybe check it.
Check there.
Anybody with you?
No, just me.
Just you
Yeah,
alone?
yeah.
Please can I take a
Yeah.
photo of that with this combination?
You need help?
No. I just filming, put for YouTube for you.
Look, if you see something, I can give you two.
Thank you.
I have a mini followers from this one, so I have also that.
It's lovely. Lovely clothes. Look at these.
That's the kind of
Feel lovely.
For example, I have something like this. This is but that kind is the more sportive and it suits you more. And also, yes. YouTube. Okay.
Thank you.
Welcome. Bye.
See you soon.
You like it?
Silvers. Hello. Cheaper than shoplifting.
Ali bak ama.
Turkish delight apple tea.
Got everything in this shop. The Turkish delights. Thank you.
If you buy Turkish delight, don't buy packet. Buy the loose one.
By the loose, yeah? Thank you for this. Old school Del Piero top there.
Is it traditional shop?
Yeah.
For example, Turkish delight, baklava, spices, coffee, tea,
Everything.
herbal tea.
Yes, all the things that I like.
Everything you love.
Yeah.
Do you want to try Turkish delight?
I don't.
I Turkish delight, yeah.
Do you like ice cream?
Yes, I like ice cream. How long have you been running this store?
Nearly 16 years.
16 years.
Wow. A long time.
Ah, thank you. Don't drink?
No, it's yours. I can give it to you.
Thank you.
Mm.
Yeah,
That's
really good.
It's nice.
I don't taste ice cream.
Yeah. Really
It's
good.
pretty sweet.
This is my shop. When you want, if you want some souvenir for somebody, for yourself.
All the little...
Take care of
you.
yourself. All the best. Good luck
Thank
in your
you
life.
so much.
Thank you
See
very
later
much.
for drink tea.
Definitely,
Yeah.
definitely.
Oh, thank you. It's massive, isn't it?
Yeah, just keeps
I was
going.
Like, yeah, walking down, I was just like, so much.
Just keeps going.
Real good.
Thank you.
I went into quite a few as well. And then,
Same. Yeah. There's some really nice furs.
Yeah.
Some of the jackets, really lovely furs, and the leathers felt really good as well.
Went to a jewellery one.
Yeah.
Oh, look, they've got your token.
Yeah. Hello. How are you? How are you? Good, yeah? Lovely. Oh, here we go.
Yeah.
I'll film for you.
Turkish food.
Yeah.
Yeah. Turkish coffee.
Oh, lovely. I'll put it on YouTube for you, okay?